just 1 kg of golden raisins, make yourself thick raisins honey to sweeten your desserts cake and make them absolutely sugar-free. Hi everyone, welcome to Homemade. Subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. All you have to do is, in a pot with raisins, add the hot water, cook it for 20 minutes and let it cool down at room temperature. Once the raisins are cooled down completely, it's time to grind the raisins. The raisins will puff and will become soft. Grind the raisins in a mixer grinder jar in 2 or 3 batches. Once the raisins are grounded, each batch, take it out in a wide bowl and set it aside. Once the raisins are grounded, the boiled water, strain it in the mixer jar, clean it and transfer it in the same bowl. Using a filter bag or a muslin cloth, pour the grounded mixture and extract the juice of the raisins. You can discard the residue remaining. Repeat the same step and extract all the juice. Once all the juice is extracted, strain it. Cook the juice till you get the desired consistency. It can take you an hour or more. Once the syrup is cooled down completely, it will get thicker. Store it in a glass jar and sweeten your desserts and make them even more healthier. And I always say, eat homemade and stay healthy. Bye bye. God bless.